Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 80185. This is a 13-piece drill and tap set. Includes the tap handle as well. The 80185 is, if you are related, involved to the installation, the maintenance, the management of doors and hardware, this is your tap set. Why? Because it's got all of the sizes that you're going to run into. Quarter 20, door closers, exit devices. 1224, obviously hinges. 1032, 1024, 832, a variety of different bolts for exit devices and lock sets. 632, not uncommon as well, probably the least used in door hardware, but nonetheless it's there. You're going to get that tap handle. So there are 6 sizes. There's a tap and a drill bit of each. That's 12. Plus 1 is your 13. Includes a plastic case. Basically, when you remove the tape, that's the plastic case that you're getting right there. Okay. There is a link below this video to a document called a reference guide. That's handy because it gives you a chart or a table of all of the tap size, the tapped thread size holes that you want to accomplish, and will give you the constituent drill bit size. And if you take note down here, they're not all fractional sizes on those drill bits. They're appropriately wire sizes. That 1224 takes a number 16 wire size drill bit, so you get the right size hole for the size that you want to tap. That's crucial to being able to get it to work, and get it to work without failure, without breaking the tools, or without the tapped hole being too large, therefore too loose. These drill bits feature 135 degree chisel, 135 degree point. Common is 118 degree. I prefer 135 degree because it's flatter. That means when you're drilling through the piece, you're removing more of the thickness of the material as the drill bit moves through the piece, so that when the point begins to exit the other side, you've got a greater amount of the wall thickness already removed on the perimeter, creating a scenario by which you'll have less tool seize. And the last thing you want to do is to be drilling through something and to have the tool stop. That will muck up the hole and possibly break the drill bit, and the tool, you personally, when you're drilling it, you don't want to have a piece of drill bit fly towards your face naturally, or something hot touching your hands. So the 135 degree drill point, in my experience, is preferable to the 118 degree. And I have drilled with thinner material, obviously, or softer material, obviously not so much the case. But if you're drilling through something that's 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 inch, that's where I will only use that more flattened bottom. You'll have less of an opportunity to start the drill bit without using a center punch because it's a flatter point. So you'll just mitigate that problem. I like to use a center punch. I like to even get that hole started with a very small drill bit, very straight and precise pilot hole, so to speak. That's probably why they include these drill bits as 135 degree rather than anything else. There's also a link below this video to the brochure where you can review not only the 80185, and if you were to do a find function on your keyboard, you'll find the 80185 in the catalog somewhere about 1/3 of the way through. You'll also find its sister product, the 80187, and if you take note of that, you'll see how you have a different arrangement of sizes. They get rid of the 1224, which is really only seen in my experience in machine door hinges, and you pick up a 440, which I don't really have much experience with. But the point of the matter is that brochure is going to show you all of the sister products to drilling and tapping. The single sets are right above there on the same page, as a matter of fact. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Now, I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use their products personally and can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin 80185 13-piece high-speed steel drill and tap set, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.